What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the how-to channel. Today we're talking about something incredible. Is how to buy Bitcoin. Everybody's looking at how to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so download Coinbase and get verified. It does take a while, but when the app top left icon is open in the settings, it lets you add a payment method either by bank or PayPal. Okay, you want to set that up straight away, so PayPal or credit card. Okay, on the item you can actually buy and sell and send and receive as well by hitting that icon. Now guys, if you scroll down, you can actually invite friends with federal link and earn that way. Okay, super easy. So this is how you buy, and I'm going to show you how to send the link. So 554, if I want to buy that, that's how you do it. Real easy. Okay, you got your sell button, send, receive, scan. If you scroll down, like I said, you're going to get the invite friends, which is one of the most important bits. Okay, it's super easy to earn money this way. You get an extra, but the icon along the bottom says my assets. Okay, this is going to show your balance. So if you've got anything in there, show your balance. You can see I've got a dummy account right now. I'm not actually showing it, and the trade shows all your new coins that you add to Coinbase. Super easy, guys. It shows you the top movers, what's going on, which ones you need to invest into, things like that. Okay, please note, no one's a financial advisor, but guys, what I want you to do is help us by hitting that like, follow, and follow for more.